And with this, when you enter the course, you likely will end up on this home page. An important page to pay attention to each time you go in. In particular, there's a section here I'm circling which is called My Announcements. And there may be some important things that are placed in there as a reminder for you, so make sure you check that out. Usually, the instructor will end up emailing you as well so that you have that information. If you look at the left-hand tab here, there are a number of areas that you can go to. Obviously, we're on the home page. There's a prayer and chat section, and that's your opportunity, if you've got things going on in life, to put in a prayer request, and that way your classmates and I can actually see what's going on and add a little layer of prayer for you to help out in some tough times. It's also an area where you can chat to ask questions. Likewise, you can always email the instructor directly, but if it's questions that perhaps could benefit the class, that could be a good place to post those as well. Probably your most frequently visited area will be the content page, which as I click on that, you'll see comes up with a number of areas to look at. Now, you obviously found this already once because in the important course documents, you'll find a lot of different things that you need, including this video, to be successful in this course. As you go through it, and keep in mind that they may look different on your screen because we are constantly updating this course and courses in our programs to make sure that it gives you the most up-to-date information and the most helpful information there. So some things may show on this that look differently or don't appear at all in the course. Even this semester, we're trying a couple new things there to see how it works for you. Also, you'll be able to get to your syllabus and your schedule clicking on the syllabus and schedule. And it'll actually post on the upper half where it says to post it as a PDF. You'll have access to both of those. There are some things that we as instructors also have available to bring from one part to the other so that we can update. I just finished updating your syllabus for this semester, so that's why you don't see it in place yet, but it will be there when the course opens. You also have the ability to send email, and you can send it to me as the instructor. You can send it to fellow students if you have questions of a particular one by going to select single users. Your grade section will show up automatically, and you'll probably already have figured out how to get to that there. Some other areas that are really helpful include tools that are available to you. Most significantly, as I highlight here again, circling with my cursor there, Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is sort of the Skype of the academic area. It allows you to have a conversation face-to-face with your teacher, with a classmate, using this to have access to both the video and the microphone features that exist on your microphone. So it's a great opportunity to get together even in the online world on areas that you may be having some difficulty understanding or just need a little extra help. Speaking of extra help, there is an important section in here, the Librarian's Research Tips. And the Librarian's Research Tips, when you click on that, have an amazing set of videos to help you through lots of areas when you're looking up those important resources that you want to find in the Rinker Library at Concordia University. The Rinker Library, I have to tell you folks, is an incredible collection of information that is available at your fingertips 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And not only that, you also have the ability, though, to contact the librarian that is taking care of the particular course. The librarian's name may change from course to course and even from semester to semester, but they are research librarians that are there to help you find the information you need for your courses. And you can usually contact them, and many times if they're there, they'll actually go into either a live chat with you or can meet with you on Zoom, another mechanism we have in place for meeting face-to-face to really help you out. And I encourage you to take advantage of it. That's what they're there for. So when we go into the content page, the content page basically has everything you need for the course. and it'll be a week by week. Now, your weeks will open up 1 week at a time, usually the Friday or Saturday before the course week starts, to allow you to get an early head start if you're one of those every other weekend warrior workers that nursing has. But in here, you'll find important course documents. You found that already. Like I said, they're all the things that you need. Make sure you go through the videos, not just this orientation one, but ones about the projects that are in there as well. And then you'll find all the instructions and rubrics for every single course that every single project rather, that you have inside of this course. Another area to be looking at inside the contents page then, clicking back to that you can look through, are rubrics for the discussion forum. The discussion board actually really provides a great opportunity to learn from other people inside the course about areas of nursing that maybe you are not used to working in or have never worked in, and get their perspective on topics that are addressed each week within the course. This will be in every course that you take that has an NURS prefix within it there. Then, like I said, week by week, you'll have material that pops up. Now, I have them temporarily open here so I can show you that it goes through all the way through week 6, because this is a 6-week course. Week 1, I'll click on to show you there, basically starts with an opportunity again for that prayer and chat room. It usually gives some sort of an inspirational connection to kind of help guide you into the new school work week, and I hope you are enjoying those. And then it gives you the readings and resources that you have. And sometimes it looks like a lot, but you'll notice a lot of these, while they have number variances, some of them are very small books. So if you see pages 1 to 50, don't panic. It's not a huge number of large pages. It's usually a number of smaller pages that exist within there. But the whole idea is to get you familiar with what we're doing there. Then you'll have your assignments that are listed on there. And again, these may vary from semester to semester. So if your current course doesn't look exactly like this, that's okay, because we are constantly going to be updating things. All the way down to the discussion board. And the discussion board will give you the question that's being asked for the week. In this case, you can see it says identify 2 attributes of a professional nurse and share with your peers in a short paragraph your thoughts on why these distinguish the nurse as a professional. Now, what's really important with discussion forums is make sure you check first off when the initial posting is due and when the response to at least 2 of your peers is due. It's important that you get those in so that others can see your viewpoints and you can kind of continue the conversation through it all. And it's also important that you start supporting what it is you're trying to say with scholarly resources, information that can be trusted there. So you need to present this information in a scholarly format. That means citations and that means references using 7th edition APA references and citations. And if at the time you're hearing this, there's a newer edition, of course, than that, that would be what you would update to. However, you want to make sure you're meeting all those areas. A response to your peers after your initial posting, and then making sure that it has at least 2 references per discussion so that people can say, I wonder where they got that from, and go check out your resources. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Please feel free to take a look around the whole course, and you won't do any damage there by opening things up and taking a look at them. But lots of good information and lots of good help. Again, welcome to Nursing 301 and welcome to our program. And we're dedicated to your success. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you.